Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add rows and columns to an existing table. You can download the support document for this session in the link indicated in the description, and I recommend to have your computer available while you watch this video to follow step by step. So let's get on it.
I have my Excel file open with a small table that I capture. But I have a problem. I forgot one brand and one month in the middle of the table. How do I fix that? Fortunately, Excel offers different ways to insert rows and columns, or just a specific number of cells. Let's add a row first. We will insert a row between rows 3 and 4. Select row 4 and right-click on your mouse and click on Insert. This method will always push down the selected row and the new row will be on top. A second option will be selecting the same row 4 and on the Ribbon tab, search for Insert pop-up menu. Click on Insert Sheet Row, and this method do the same as the previous one. Push down the selected row and the new row will be on the top. One more option would be selecting only the number of cells that form the table. Let's select range A4 to F4. Right-click on your mouse and click Insert. A new window will prompt asking what do you want to do with the cells that you selected. Do you want to shift them to the right, shift them down, or insert an entire row or a column? We will select Shift Cells Down. This way, Excel will insert the same number of cells that you selected. One note here. You have to be very careful using this method to not corrupt your table. Let me show you why I'm saying this. If I select the wrong numbers of cells, for example, from B4 to F4, right-click, Insert, and we select Shift Down, look what happened. It corrupts your table. What if I select the right number of cells, right-click, Insert, but now I click on Shift to the right instead of down? It corrupts your table too. So you just have to be careful with this. Let's now add a column between columns D and E. Select column E and right-click on your mouse and click on Insert. This method will push the selected column to the right and the new column will be inserted on the left. Let's do it again, selecting the column E, but now using the ribbon, and search for the pop-up menu and click on the Insert Sheet column. This method will do something similar. It will push the selected column to the right and the new column will be inserted on the left. Let's see how it works with only selecting the cells that form the table. Let's select E1 to E6. Right-click and Insert. Here, Excel will ask you again, what do you want to do with your cells? Select Shift Cells to the right, and now we have space to add our data. Any of the methods that I show you can work with more than just one row or a column at a time. Let's say I need to add 6 columns before July to capture the first 6 months of the year. To do that, click and hold column B and start moving your mouse to the right to select more columns. Notice that as you are selecting your columns, Excel will show how many columns you have selected, so you don't have to count them manually. Right-click, Insert, and now you have 6 new columns to work with.
I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with Excel. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get access to my series of tutorials to learn Excel step by step. I'll see you in the next video.